How to recover corrupted files in macOS.
Try SysTools Mac Archive Recovery. Let's discuss key features first. Recover corrupted archives. Repair zip, RAR, TAR, 7Z, and more with full data recovery.
Batch file recovery. Add and restore multiple archive files at once. Preserve structure. Maintains original folder hierarchy and data integrity. Preserve structure. Maintains original folder hierarchy and data integrity. To download the software, open Google and search for
SysTools Archive Recovery Tool.
Now click on the first link. Then click on the Download button. Once downloaded, simply install the SysTools Mac Archive Recovery software on your system. Let's start by checking the corrupted file. This is a zip file containing some PDF documents, but it's currently corrupted. When we try to open it, an error message appears saying the archive file is incomplete. Now, let's fix it. This is the interface of the SysTools Archive Recovery tool. At the top left, you'll find the Select File section where you can import your corrupted files. There are two options available: Add File, which allows you to import one or multiple corrupted files, and Add Folder, which lets you import entire folders containing corrupted files, making it ideal for large datasets. We'll proceed with the Add File option, but you can choose whichever suits your needs. In the new window, locate and select your corrupted file, then click Open. Here you can see the imported corrupted file along with its file path. On the right side, you can also view its file size. After importing, two new options appear: Remove, which lets you delete a selected file from the list, and Remove All, which clears the entire list so you can import new files. Now, click the Next button to continue. In the Select Destination Path section, you can see the current export location where your recovered files will be saved. To change this path, click the Change button on the right. Below that, you need to choose one of two options. The first is Extract, which recovers and extracts your zip file at the same time. The second is Save, which only recovers the zip file without extracting it. We'll go with the Extract option. The recovery process has been completed successfully. Now, click the OK button. At the bottom, you can view the process report. In the left, it shows total file count as 11, the success count as 11, and the failed count as 0. This means all files have been successfully recovered. Now, let's open the exported folder. The software has also generated an export report, which you can review if needed. Now, let's open the PDF folder. Here, you can see the 11 recovered files. Let's open one to verify. As you can see, the file has been successfully recovered and the data is intact. Finally, using these steps, you can recover corrupted files in macOS. Log on to the product page for more details to purchase the product. For any queries, email us at support@systoolsgroup.com.